Solitaire cash payment declines are usually caused by incorrect payment details, bank restrictions, verification problems, or issues with the payment account connected to the app. By the end, you'll know the main reasons a Solitaire cash payment method gets declined and the steps to check before trying the payment again. Start by reviewing your payment information inside Solitaire Cash. Incorrect card numbers, expired cards, billing details that do not match, or outdated payment information can prevent a payment from processing. Open the payment settings in the app and confirm that every detail matches your active payment account. If your card has expired or your account information changed, update it before trying again. Next, check your bank or payment provider. A declined payment does not always mean there is a problem with Solitaire Cash. Banks can block transactions because of security checks, spending limits, or unusual activity. Open your banking app and look for any declined transaction alerts. If your bank blocked the payment, follow their instructions or contact them to approve the transaction. Another step is checking your account status. Payment systems may require account verification before allowing certain transactions. Open your Solitaire Cash account settings and complete any available verification steps. Make sure the account information connected to the payment method is accurate. If your payment details and account are correct, check the app itself. Update Solitaire Cash through the Google Play Store or Apple App Store if a newer version is available. After updating, close the app completely and reopen it. This can refresh the connection between the app and the payment system. You can also try removing and adding your payment method again, if that option is available. Re-entering the information can fix errors caused by saved payment details that are no longer valid. Avoid making repeated payment attempts if the same error keeps appearing. Multiple failed attempts can sometimes trigger additional security checks. If the payment method still does not work, contact Solitaire Cash support with the exact error message, the payment method you used, and the time the decline happened. Those details help support identify whether the problem is with the account, app, or payment provider. The fastest checklist is simple. Verify your payment details, check your bank for blocks, update Solitaire Cash, complete verification, and contact support if the issue continues. Your next step is to check your payment details first because it is the quickest fix and does not require waiting for outside help. If this guide helped you fix your Solitaire Cash payment issue, like the video, and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.